Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the realm of comfort and convenience with a product that promises to revolutionize your sleeping experience. Get ready, because we're about to unveil the best puncture-proof inflatable mattress on the market. Introducing the Active Era Premium Queen Air Mattress with built-in pump. This inflatable marvel isn't just any ordinary airbed. It's engineered with innovation and designed for ultimate comfort. Imagine resting on a cloud, elevated 17 inches from the ground. With 35 structured air coils providing head-to-toe support, this mattress ensures a relaxing and rejuvenating sleep every night. Say goodbye to those uncomfortable dips and bulges you often find in traditional airbeds. But wait, there's more. This mattress features a unique 3-inch raised pillow for enhanced head and neck support, promoting optimal spinal alignment. And with its integrated electric pump, you can have your bed ready in less than 3 minutes, making setup a breeze. Durability meets luxury with the Active Era mattress. Crafted from extra-thick, puncture-resistant material, topped with a waterproof flocked layer, it's built to withstand the test of time. No need to worry about accidental scrapes or scratches. This mattress has you covered. Measuring 60 inches by 80 inches by 20 inches, this queen-sized beauty can accommodate your guests with ease. And guess what? It fits standard queen-sized sheets perfectly, adding an extra layer of convenience to your setup. So there you have it, folks. The Active Era Premium Queen Air Mattress with built-in pump. The epitome of comfort, support, and durability, all rolled into one sleek package. Upgrade your sleeping experience today and discover the difference for yourself. Until next time, sleep tight and sweet dreams.